And I think it's partly because women probably have a much easier time trying to visualize that which they're trying to build, whereas men, more often than not, and forgive me men for being sexist, will focus on the tools.
Okay.
Will focus on the machinery, the actual investment itself, whereas women will generally, and I am generalizing massively, they will look at, cool, we're trying to construct this and achieve this outcome, which is a really important thing. You need to have both, of course,
Yep.
right? And
Yep.
that's why it's good to have that dynamic going on where
Okay.
it's happening. But that's one of the things I have seen is more people coming through that they have a baseline education, which they've often achieved through, say, podcasts or books, and they've done these things because it's been, say, a women's group or a women's podcast or a course which they've done, which has they wouldn't have done it any other way because it was always maybe too threatening, or it wasn't.
Yeah, it's a safe space, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now that they've gone through that, the confidence is there, because it should have always been there, because quite often women make better investment decisions than men because of what I just said before.